All right, moving over to B7. Ah, yes. Jeff Miller has got his Tango Papa 1.6 Mars Lander kit. It's going to go up on a G76 4-second delay parachute recovery. He flew this at the sod farm a few months ago. It crash landed just a bit. He's done an excellent rebuild. You can't tell from looking at it even close up that he rebuilt it. Most of the undercarriage on this. We're going to hope for better landing results this time. All right, we have continuity on Jeff's 1.6 Mars Lander. G76 4-second delay in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice straight flight. A little bit of spin for trauma. Main is out. So far, pretty sweet. Looks like plenty of shoot there, Jeff. Kind of hanging up there. All right, very pretty flight. Let's hope for a gentle landing for Jeff and for the Mars Lander. One of my two favorite kits from SDs back in the day. Everybody should build a Mars Lander. All right, be gentle, be gentle. Ooh, okay, that's